Lucas Investor. This is not a live broadcast I wanted to make. I'm out and about trying to have a pleasant evening, and sadly I'm reading terrifying news that I wanted to share with you all, and it doesn't give me any pleasure whatsoever to be able to confirm what I've been saying now for nearly 12 months. As you know, I've been putting my money in bonds. I've been protecting my money, doing many trades of the S&P because we are massively overbought and overvalued. And it's just been reported in the last few moments that Donald Trump has been doing the same thing for ages in buying bonds. It's now all been disclosed. At the same time as telling everybody the market is booming and we all need to buy crypto and buy my Trump coin, which has now gone down as one of the worst coins in history, everyone is dumping XRP and Bitcoin. And I do have inside information that insiders are selling very quickly. Now, this is not the end. Many people are going to buy back when this is all over. Remember, most traders and investors will not buy when it's the right time to buy. They'll buy when everybody else starts buying. This could be an opportunity. I am not buying yet, and I want to explain why and what I actually feel is what comes next. As you know, over the last 6 months, I have been trading very aggressively in and out on the S&P 500, making profit to prepare for a 40% crash. I've been saying it over and over again that it's going to happen. Now, I haven't just been saying it like a lot of people say all kinds of different things. I've been doing it with my real money, hard-earned money, live on the show. You've seen me do it. I've shared it all with you over the last few weeks, share the trades. And then I've been putting my money in bonds to protect the money while it's sleeping, waiting for the next opportunity. Well, now it's all been revealed. That's what Donald Trump has been doing for ages, taking money out of the market. You may remember on inauguration night, the Trump family dumped the Trump coin, and Barron was going to bring out his own coin, and it was stopped at the table. I told you that I had inside information that was happening, and it would have been too obvious, as if it wasn't obvious enough. So now there's a mass exit from crypto. Now, I want to give everybody a warning and just sort of break this down into context, because I think the context has been lost, and it's a terrifying statistic. We are expecting Bitcoin to go to 150,000 to 200,000 by the end of the year. Now, that is still what a lot of analysts are expecting to happen. However, at the same time, we're getting this mass exit. Now, think about that. Put that into perspective. We have become accustomed to 100,000 sounding cheap. Many people are telling me we should be buying it now. It's cheap. You didn't think it was cheap at 16,000. You didn't think it was cheap at 20,000. And now it's cheap at 100,000. Think about this for a moment. Lee, I'll just be a minute on this, right? This is an emergency call. I'm just out with my wife tonight, but I wanted to just go live to bring this information. We've become accustomed to say $100,000 is cheap for Bitcoin. Think about that for a moment. The value of Bitcoin has only changed over, and XRP has changed due to policy change with the government. We didn't want the government to be involved, and then we wanted government approval, and what we have now is full government control. Many people said they didn't want that. Well, that's what we have. So the question I've got to put to you before you rush out and buy, because I am ready to buy back in crypto. I've got $300,000 waiting, but it's not the right time for me at all. I'll let you know when I start to buy if I decide it's the right thing to do. It's not the right thing for me. I'm holding my position in bonds and in the S&P 500. I've got an all-time high, so my portfolio has been going up consistently now for nearly 2 years. So I'm not going to risk my money and start buying into speculation at the moment. There are too much nonsense going on. But I want to put this to you. If Bitcoin is going to go to 150,000 or 200,000 in the next 6 weeks on a Santa rally like no other, think about it. It's virtually got to double in price. Now, let's put that into perspective. Imagine we're talking about Apple, Microsoft, Google, and you said after many years of building your business, In 6 weeks, you're going to double your market cap. Now, just think of that. Would you, if anyone said that to you, you'd think they were absolutely crazy, impossible. Doesn't make any sense. However, some people believe that's what's going to happen. So is this the buying opportunity of a lifetime, where you can buy and double your money in just 6 weeks' time? Do you think so? Well, if you do, maybe you want to buy right now. I'm looking at it, I'm talking to my sources, but I'm finding out scary facts that insiders are dumping like crazy at the moment. Now, are they dumping to buy it all back? I honestly don't know. But the way I look at it is this. There are too many opportunities in the market to buy right now and to make money. And whether you've got $1 or whether you've got $1 million, remember I started with 5,000 and now I have nearly 300,000. In fact, I have 300,000 with 300,000 ready to buy the dip, so 600,000, over $500,000. It doesn't matter how much money you've got or how little money you've got to protect your money. It's not all about just buy because it seems cheap. You've got to protect your money, because I don't see anything exciting, anything fun, watching your money keep going down the toilet. I don't know about you, but I'm not a gambler, I'm not a speculator. I like to consistently be green, consistently outperform the market, which I am. And when I get back in the studio on season 5, I will share with you all my trades, all my charts, and you can see I've been outperforming every metric. Whatever metric you want, I'll show you I've been outperforming it. So for me, I want to consistently win. No matter how small, I don't want to gamble, I don't want to speculate, and I don't find it fun to be down 50% because I might make double my money tomorrow. I would rather make 1 or 2% every few days and do that consistently over time, over 20, 30 years, and I'll be as rich as I ever need to be. That's my mindset. So it doesn't matter how cheap we think it is. Something is very off right now, that we've been told that this is a dawn of crypto, it's this and that and the other, and the very people saying it are the very ones dumping it. Not trimming, don't get me wrong, it's the right thing to do to trim. I was very interested last night to see that Warren Buffett has bought Google, or Berkshire Hathaway I should say really. That was very, very interesting, which is very encouraging for the S&P actually. It's a big part. There are obviously 2 stocks of Google, A and C, I think it'll B and C, whatever. So that's a very encouraging that Berkshire Hathaway have decided to back Google. But remember, they've also decreased from Bank of America and Apple to compensate that. So just consider that. But I'm still very bullish on the overall market, but I'm very disappointed. I'm not surprised, but I'm disappointed that Trump is now, the disclosures are out that he's been shoveling his money away, taking it out of crypto to buy bonds, when that's exactly what I've been doing now for 6 months, and the crypto world has been having a go at me for being so ridiculous and boring and old man and all the rest of it, while I've been shoveling my money into bonds, saying this is what you've got to do to protect your money. Now it's been disclosed that Trump has been doing that. I'm not surprised, but I am disappointed because I take no pleasure from this broadcast. I've come out in the freezing cold, not feeling very well. We're recording for season 5 and on location, and I've got a bit ill doing it, but you'll see all the season 5 stuff shortly when it comes out. I'm just really upset for good, hard-working, decent people, my Lucasades that follow my show, that have been misled by what they read on X, by people telling them that, you've got to do this, got to do that, and all the time I've been warning people, and I take no pleasure from being right. Again, I don't care what everybody does, but I really care about my Lucasades. My audience is everything to me, and I know coming up to Christmas, the pain that people are facing right now and the fear. So remember why you bought crypto in the first place. If you are still in, remember I sold at the top. I know that sounds, nobody really wants to hear me say that, but why would anybody follow a channel that loses money, right? You follow me because I'm giving you the right information. Whether you take it or not is up to you, but it's done with the best interest to protect my audience. But I don't know. Right now, I'm not buying crypto. I'm waiting and I'm holding, but I need to know I need to know the facts before I move. So I'm constantly investigating. I'm constantly on the phone. I'm doing it in between these calls to you, finding out why it's being sold, what is everybody expecting, where you see it going. And when I'm ready to buy, I'll let you know, and I'll tell you how much if I choose to do so. But right now, I'm looking forward to the market opening tonight. I'm expecting a huge amount of volatility when the market's open, of course, because of what's going on right now with everything else. There's bound to be a lot of volatility. But I am very happy. I'll be buying a dip if there is one. I've got 300 grams worth of margin ready to go. But I'm not buying crypto right now. So anyway, I wish everyone the very, very best. I just have a couple of comments before I get back inside again. Always missed you. Saban, how are you? Got to be careful out there. Slim Jim, nice one, mate. The real one. Sure, you bought crypto last week? Yes, I did. I did a very quick trade. Please nobody misunderstand me. All my trades, I've shared them online. I've posted them on X, Instagram, Threads, the YouTube community page, everywhere. Yes, I have bought some crypto in and out. I've done some very fast trades, many times. I'm talking about long-term positions where I've been holding long-term. So, yeah, I mean, obviously I'm just standing here on my phone trying to give you a bit of outline. When I'm back in the studio, I'll show you the charts, the positions, the trades, everything. I can't do everything, but yeah, it's a complex subject. Lots have been going on. I'm just trying to give you my thoughts right now. Take care, says JJ 8 Ball. HB4, Union Pacific or Norfolk Southern? Is that a question? I don't really know what you mean by that. Virgin Galactic. Well, expect volatility on that one tonight. In fact, there's not a 24-hour on Virgin Galactic when it opens up. Let's have a look. Nice one, mate. Got to be careful. How do you have inside information and you're not a millionaire? What does that mean? How do you have inside information and you are not a millionaire? What do you mean? Well, first of all, I want to be clear. I don't have inside information. That would be illegal. I have spent the last 4 years building relationships with real people, which I share with you online. We've interviewed many CEOs on the show. I speak to Bank America, Hood. I have friends now at Ripple. All kind of things. It's not inside information, it's public information, but it's information that you've probably not read, not digested or paid attention to. That's all it is. I don't have people telling me what's going on before it goes on. I have a White House press room contact, and you read about it in the news. I just get it as it happens. That's all. Nothing magical, but the world is full of information and lots of noise. I'm just getting the right information at the right time. Not inside, not special, just, I don't know, just real and personal, and it is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to go now. It's freezing cold. Vaz, hey at Banana Heads, how are you? Right, I've got to go. Now, Sensei will be live in, what is it now? 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours, he might be earlier. But Sensei will be live on the channel in his studio, and I'm sure he'll be breaking this down for you. There'll be 2 shows, the main show, and then there'll be the Electrum show, which is our game show, our weekly game show for everybody, where you learn, and there's a game show where you learn about everything to do with investing. So join Sensei for that tonight. I've got to go. I wish everyone the very best. Don't jump straight in thinking it's cheap, but we could have a big bounce from here. I just don't know. And as an investor, I don't jump when I don't know. I don't guess, I don't speculate. That's why, when I get in the studio, I'll show you my chart. It's consistently up. It's up on the day, the week, the month, the year to date, and the all time. I'm not losing money. I never lose money. And I'm not going to guess and just suddenly run out tomorrow and buy a lot of crypto because everyone's going, it's cheap, it's on sale. If it was cheap, why has everyone been selling it? Why is Trump buying bonds, protecting his money for a crash which I've been predicting now for a year, nearly a year? So, I just don't know, folks. I wish you all the best. When I find more information out, I will share it with you. Please be careful. Please be safe. And that's all I can really say. Join Sensei tonight. I wish everyone the very, very best. Before I go, because I'm freezing cold, could everyone please tap the like button? Let's see if we can get 100 likes. We've got 240 watching. There's 37 likes. If everyone taps the like button, we get 100 likes, and then YouTube will share this out. It's just nice. Just nice. I'm just about to get back in the car. Can anyone do it? coming in now. My wife's looking at me going, come on in, come on in. All right, so there's 38 likes, 46 likes. Just get me to 100 and I'm going to get back in the car. I'm absolutely bloody freezing, but I had to come on my phone. I'm sorry it's not in the studio, but I just wanted to wish everybody the best and try to share with what I have. But when I found out that Trump has been buying bonds since October, I thought, you're having a bloody laugh. Sorry, August. Beg your pardon, August, not October, August. 62 likes. Come on, we've got 38 to go. 38 to go. Video. 62, can we get 100 likes? 65, 30 to go. Yolanda, a big shout out to you. Thank you so much, Yolanda. Yolanda has been sharing everything and liking and commenting on everything I've done on Blue Sky. Thank you, Yolanda. Really appreciate your support. You've liked and supported everything I've ever posted on Blue Sky. Thank you. It hasn't gone unnoticed. 68, 32 to go. Josh Monroe, take care, Martin. Love the prayers to you both. Thank you very much. That's much appreciated. Cheers, fella. Get warm. I'm bloody freezing out here. Need a woolly hat, mate. Yeah. Need a woolly hat. Got no air, right? Anyway, Yolanda, thank you so much. William Myers, 72, 28 to go, and I'm going to go back in the car. Come on, let me get back in the car. I'm bloody freezing. Leah's looking at me through the window, going, when are you going to get on? I just got to talk to the Lucasades. 73, please help me out. I'm freezing. I want to get to 100. 73, tap the like button and YouTube will suggest it out. 75, 25 to go. In 3 hours and 30 minutes, Sensei will be live for our Sunday night show and the Electrum show. Make sure you become a member for the Electrum show. You won't want to miss it. RB, is it? I missed you, mate. Missed you, mate, on the music shows. Scott, how are you, mate? We got 77, 23 to go. 23 to go. Like. Dan Price, Human, Smash, RB, William Myers. Thank you. It's dark in Texas already. 221, 77, 20, 22, 23 to go. Come on, I got to go. Or is it still morning, says John Beresford. 78, 22 to go. How is it dark there already? Well, it's a mystery, innit? It's a bloody mystery. Life's a mystery. It'll all be revealed next week. Next week, season 5 will start and all this craziness will be revealed to you all right? We've been on location and all sorts. 78, 22 to go. 22, Slim Jim, we missed the Piano Man. I miss doing it, to be honest. I really do. 80, 20 to go. Oh, no. I tell you what, I'm going to count down from 10 because I'm freezing. Leah's being very patient. She's waiting for me, so I'm going to have to end the show. 19 to go. Let's count down 10 seconds. Guys, I'm going to love you and leave you. Thank you for being here. Please be careful tonight. Don't see crypto as cheap. It's never cheap. It's always a considered investment. It's never free. It's never cheap. It's never easy. And we can't speculate and we can't guess because everyone's telling us it's going to be 150,000, 200,000 by the end of the year. In a few weeks does not make it an investment. It makes it a gamble. And honestly, if I said to you now, give me $95,000, which is roughly the price of a Bitcoin right now, and I promise you that in 6 weeks' time, I'm going to double this, would you believe me? You wouldn't, would you? It would sound crazy. You wouldn't do it. Don't risk your money. There's no need to risk your money. 85, 15 to go. See all your crypto, Eugene. Oh, sell all your crypto. I'm not going to tell you what to do. Right. What's that? Okay, I'm just getting Leah waving at me. 15 to go. Yes, it's 79 in Arkansas with out of risk is no glory. I've got to go. Nah, come on, we could do it, can't we? 14. I want to get 100. Thoughts about XRP? Okay, just quickly, I'll answer your question. I am very concerned. I want to be absolutely clear. And I've always said this, and you can check all my videos. I said to you that the ETF would not make a difference. The ETF does not make the asset more valuable. Remember Lightning 2 made no difference to Ethereum? Said the same thing. Those that are interested in the technology jumped up and down about it, but the reality is it doesn't make it more investable. It just means more people can buy it. But if nobody wants to buy it, it makes no difference. And right now, because of crash, People keep telling me there's not a crash. Well, hang on a minute. We've dropped like 35, 40% from the top of XRP and Bitcoin, whatever it was. That sounds like a crash to me. I sold at the top, and trust me, it feels like a crash to me. But anyway, 10 to go. We're at 90. 10 to go. Come on, everyone smash the like button. Leah is literally screaming at me saying, get in this car, and I'm literally facing a riot when I get back in the car. 9 to go, 9 to go, 9 to go, come on. I've got to go. Human beings, they will after, he said. Hello, lad, it's a bit nippy out there, eh? Smash the like, Yolanda, hello, Zach. Right, that's it, I've got to go. 8 to go. By the time I get to the car, inside the car, it's going to be 100, right? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm getting in the car now. There's only 3 to go. 3 to go. You're going to save me from getting told off by my wife in a second. What's that? I've no idea what you're... She's pointing things to me. 100. That's it. We've done it. Have a wonderful evening. Join Sensei tonight. See you back shortly for season 5. The best season ever. That's why we're on location, recording things for you you're going to love. See you back in a bit. Please be careful. And don't listen to what anyone says. Me or anyone. Do your own research. Read the numbers. Read the balance sheets. If it doesn't make sense, walk away. Preserve your money. Take care of it. Do what Donald Trump's doing right now, and what I've been doing nearly all year. Put it in your bonds. You earn 4% with no risk, and when you know what to do, then you can make a move. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves.